Hi, this is Venugopal. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about types of softwares. Let me start. Types of softwares. So first of all, what is software? Software is basically collection of programs, or we can say set of programs, right? So in the real time, we are going to use different types of softwares, right? Like all these different types of softwares are classified into two categories. One is system softwares, and the second one is application softwares, right? So these are the two categories of softwares, or two types of softwares. One is system softwares and the second one is application softwares. First, let me talk about system softwares definition. So what is system softwares? The softwares which are specially designed for systems to work are known as system softwares. So basically here system means it may be a like computer or uh, electronic devices, okay, or any other thing like computer or electronic device or any other system, okay. So these are what here systems. System may be basically like what it may be, that is computer or hardware, also we can say a system, right? So computer, electronic devices, any other hardware devices, computer related hardware devices are what here systems. We know that basically only with hardware we can't do anything, right? So for that we require what here software. So we have to configure a software with hardware, right? Then only that hardware is going to work. Such a type of softwares are known as system softwares here, right? Now here examples: operating systems. Operating systems like Windows, okay. So Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac. For mobiles you can take Android, Apple, etc. like that. You also can take DOS, disk operating system. So all these are the different types of operating systems, right? So every operating system is an example for system software only, because without these operating systems we can't operate the system, means we can't use the system. That's why these are all are the examples for system softwares only. And we also can take drivers example. One more example: drivers. Like we have audio drivers, printer drivers, okay, and network drivers, etc. like that. So drivers also softwares. Generally what we do, whenever we purchase a new laptop, generally if we want to install the OS, after installation of the OS we are going to install the drivers also. Otherwise audio device may not work. If you want to connect to printer, compulsory we require the printer drivers, otherwise printer will not work, because these are also what here hardware devices. So if you want to interact with these, compulsory we have to install these softwares also. That is why, so drivers also examples for system softwares here, right? Now next, the second one is application softwares, right? Now what is application software? Right, the softwares which are specially designed for users to use. Who is user? People are the users, right? So that's why the softwares which are specially designed for users to use to perform their own operations, right? So these type of softwares are the application softwares. Now in this we have the two types again. One is desktop applications, and the second one is web applications, right? So these are the two types of application softwares. First one is desktop applications and the second one is web applications. Let me talk about desktop applications. So what is desktop application? The softwares which we can install in the personal computer or laptop. Okay, the softwares which we can install in the personal computer or laptop under operating system environment, under the operating system environment are known as desktop applications. Example, for example here, you can take browser, MS Office, like. So whatever the softwares you can install to perform operations which you want. So the softwares which you can install in the personal computer under the operating system are known as the desktop applications. So you also can take examples browser, MS Office, or you can take like VLC, media player, like etc. That's it. Next, web applications. What is web application? Web applications are the softwares which are located in the server, and which we can access with the help of the browser. This type of softwares are known as the web applications. Let me repeat once again. Web applications are the softwares which are located in the server and which we can access with the help of the browser. Okay, right. Now, we know we in the real time we are going to use so many web applications, like we can say websites, right? Websites like Gmail, okay, Facebook, okay, like that, Amazon, etc. So these are what here web applications. Okay, right, like Gmail, Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart, IRCTC, Book My Show. So all these are the examples for web applications. And you have to remember one thing: if you want to use any web applications, you no need to install these in our personal computer or laptop. But whereas if you want to use any desktop application, compulsory you have to install in our personal computer or laptop under the OS environment, right? So here, whereas web application you have to install, because web applications are located where it means in the server. Okay, so we can access with the help of the browser through internet facility. Means we require the browser if want to access web applications, and we at the same time we also require the internet connection also. Okay, that is what here about web application, right? So this is total about the types of softwares here. Okay, right. So here, for more videos, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to get notifications, and click on the bell button also. Thank you for watching.